Today at Orleans Parish Criminal Court, a grand jury made their decision to indict former New Orleans Saints player Darren Sharper on 2 counts of aggravated rape and 1 count of simple rape. Another man, Eric Nunez, who investigators said is an acquaintance of Sharper, was charged with 2 counts of aggravated rape for his alleged involvement in a charge of obstruction of justice for actions alleged to have occurred between September 23, 2013 and February 28, 2014. Nunez's attorney, Jeffrey Smith, says the obstruction of justice charge may be over deleted text messages.
Before he was even arrested, he might have deleted text messages. Which is, I do that pretty much every day.
St. Bernard Parish Deputy Brandon Lacardi was also indicted on a charge of aggravated rape of a woman in February of 2013. And additionally, he was charged with 3 counts of human trafficking and 1 count of battery with a dangerous weapon for an incident investigators said occurred in November of 2013. Lacardi's attorney was not present in court today, but all 3 could face life sentences in the case. Orleans Parish Criminal District Court Judge Karen Herman set the bond for Nunez and Sharper at $2.5 million apiece, while Lacardi's bond is set at $2.9 million. Back in February, the New Orleans Police Department obtained an arrest warrant for Sharper and Nunez. Both are accused of drugging and raping 2 women back in September of 2013, while the women were passed out inside Sharper's apartment in the Warehouse District. Eric Nunez's attorney says his client is only alleged to be a part of this one incident.
He met a friend of his, picked her up, someone that he's dated in the past, and he spent the night with her. That's what he did.
Up until today, there hadn't been any formal indictment in the case, but Nunez's attorney says his client is no more than a pawn in this case, and he and Sharper were never really friends.
The facts haven't changed. The police did an investigation. After the police did their investigation, they basically did not arrest Eric Nunez for anything, and the DA's office picked it up, and then all the media about Darren. Unfortunately, I think Eric is a pawn in this whole matter.
This indictment comes while Sharper has been sitting in a Los Angeles jail since late February, where he pleaded not guilty to rape and drug charges. And an Arizona grand jury indicted him for allegedly drugging and sexually assaulting 2 women last November. Sharper is also being investigated for similar charges in Las Vegas. While Eric Nunez has currently been free on a $400,000 bond, his attorney says he will turn himself in on Monday morning.
He will arraign himself, he will enter a plea of not guilty, and on Tuesday we will have a bond reduction hearing.
St. Bernard Parish Sheriff's Deputy Brandon Lacardi is expected to turn himself into authorities as well.